chicken fried rice. Today we are going to make chicken fried rice. The ingredients are boneless chicken. First take 150 grams of boneless chicken, add soy sauce and mix and marinate for half an hour in the soy sauce. Heat the pan and put in the marinated chicken pieces, boneless chicken pieces, into the pan. The chicken pieces had been marinated in the soy sauce for 30 minutes. Let it cook for 15 minutes in close lid. Wash and soak 2 cups of rice. Once the water boils, put in the rice, 2 cups, and allow it to cook. Pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the onions, garlic, ginger, and salt. Once the onions are golden brown, put in the carrot and the beans, and salt. Keep on sauteing until the carrot and beans are nicely cooked. Now the beans and the carrot are nicely done. Put in a little salt to taste and salt. Now break an egg and put in the egg and scramble. Scramble the egg with the mixture. Mix the egg thoroughly with the beans and the carrot. Put in the chicken pieces and mix. Put in the rice which has been already prepared. Mix the rice thoroughly with the chicken and other mixtures, carrot, beans and the sorted material, so that it is properly mixed. The fried rice is almost ready and can now be taken off the flame. This is the final chicken fried rice, a very tasty and easy dish to make.